Creating PDF file from Word. Click on Adobe Acrobat to open. To create PDF file, click on Tools. In Create and Edit group, there is Create PDF section. Click on down arrow, click on Open. You can see there is option to create a PDF from any format like doc, Excel, TXT format. Select the file. I am selecting Word file. Select the file. Click on Open. Click on Create. You can see it is taking time a little bit to create. You can see the Word file has been converted into a PDF file. You can save this file. Let's save it in this Adobe Acrobat Pro DC folder. Give it a name, Word to PDF. Click on save. Now this file has been saved. Let's see this file. Close. Click on the folder. You can see Word to PDF file. This is the file which we converted from Word to PDF. Let's see how to convert JPG file into PDF file. Then again click on Tools, click on down arrow in Create PDF section, click on Open, then select the file. This is JPEG file. Select the file, click on Open, click on Create. You can see it has been created into a PDF file. You can save it similarly. Just click on the file, give it name JPEG to PDF. Save it. Let's see whether it has been saved or not. Close this window. You can see this is the folder. This is the JPEG to PDF. In this way, you can convert JPEG file into PDF file.